How did you get there?
Walk down that stairs.
They have it backstairs. I
Yeah.
didn't know that. That's pretty neat.
Oh, you want to sit where it's done with it.
Some lumber.
Good morning, good morning.
Yeah. So you guys, there was some, you guys made time or what?
So are you all set to go dancing?
Now we're going to look at birds.
Oh, Vera's going dancing.
Yeah, sure.
Pasteurized to retain that invigorating.
What we have this morning?
Taste. Enjoy solo applejack and solo hair drink every day.
We're going to look at birds today.
Yeah.
Let's go. We have so much here to inspire. At the edge of the world. We're not going to jump. They found all they ever wanted. A paradise few have ever experienced.
I don't suppose that there's any reason that you should spend time with me.
What are you talking about?
Making conversation.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Can we turn that off?
Making conversation.
Can we turn this off, Vera?
Oh, turn it off?
Yeah.
I'll let you.
I don't think there are many of those little chickens left.
They eat, that happens every time.
Who got them?
The rats.
The rats got them?
Oh, every time it happens. I see that whole bunch of, and every day I see some.
We're keeping those rats
So
alive.
I told her, I say, she said, she okay.
She said so bad?
No, she said,
She doesn't care.
Yes,
But
yes, she
why
does.
doesn't she just get rid of the chickens?
I know it doesn't make no sense. It doesn't.
Just feeding the rats.
Yes, that's what happened.
She doesn't keep the egg?
It's harboring the rats, that's all.
She doesn't
Yeah.
keep the egg.
She let them lay in there.
She
They
just
lays in the bushes, and they hatch in the bushes, and they come out and the rats eat them.
Oh, well, no, she doesn't eat the eggs.
No,
She
she
doesn't eat the
doesn't.
rats.
No, nobody eats
She
the
should
rats.
eat the rats.
No,
She should eat them.
the rats carry diseases.
Yeah, the disease too.
So where is Irma?
Oh, she must be upstairs dressing.
Oh,
She went upstairs to change.
will we get to the birds?
Yeah, we would.
You really think the rats ate the chickens?
Oh, yeah. I do think that. Well, having seen the rat yesterday, it's the biggest rat I've seen in years. A fat rat.
Yeah.
They've got a regular ecosystem going there.
Is that
The
right?
rats stay alive and multiply because they don't have any predators. The chickens act as food for the rats.
The rats are smart enough to wait till the chickens get a little big.
Yeah, because we want a big one.
And rats will also eat the eggs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So it's a regular ecosystem, all a little ecosystem that's self-perpetuating for the rats.
Where are the cats?
There are no cats,
There should be fat cats.
Yeah, the cats around here.
but not many.
You know,
Very.
There's a little cat. I saw a little cat.
Mm-hmm, no one.
And I saw a cat, a wild cat, a feral cat,
A red one.
that was just about as big as a rat. So the rat could give the cat a good,
The cat was before the rat.
yeah. Thing to do would be to remove all the chickens from there.
Or all the rats and have a chicken
Oh,
yard.
you couldn't remove all the rats because they're much too smart.
Trap them. Rat trap.
You couldn't do that. You really need to put poison around, and nobody wants to do that.
You couldn't trap them with a big mouse trap.
They're much too strong. They have an ecosystem going.
And the
That
little
benefits
chickies,
the highest animal on the ladder.
the little
which is a
chickies
rat.
eat stuff in the ground.
Yeah, they eat worms and food. She seems to now and then try.
See, there gotta be a bottom to this ecosystem.
Well, if she ate the eggs,
If she ate the egg.
that would be a big help.
Oh,
She doesn't. She won't. She doesn't have the. Either she's too old or she is too lazy to go out and pick the eggs up and to make a coop for the chickens.
Maybe she's
Chickens will lay
scared of
in
the
a.
guy, scared of the guy who lives there.
No, I don't. The chickens will lay in a coop if you.
Maybe he's the reason for all of this. Maybe he lives on the egg.
I don't think so. He has no method to cook
Yeah,
anything.
but he has to survive.
Well, but people give him food.
Food.
People buy drugs from him. He washes cars, according to out here.
He
Washes.
washes cars. Oh.
So, if she ate the eggs, that would stop. Rats would go elsewhere. But she doesn't. If she sold the eggs, which she could do,
She ate the chickens.
she could sell the eggs if she wanted to.
Now, she has young people around the house. I met a young man there.
I don't think so. I think they're taxi cab people. They're associated with the taxi cab.
But somebody would collect the eggs for her
Evidently not.
and split the dough 50%.
Evidently not. They have to be prepared. They have to have egg crates to put them in. They have to have,
Yeah?
and they don't have any money. Money is a premium. So it's an ecosystem that benefits only the rats. And so the rats are going to be king until the thing is stopped, until somebody takes the chickens away or eats them.
Or
Or,
the Pied Piper comes and moves the rat.
yeah, well, no Pied Piper's going to move the rat. But that's why those chickens sleep in the tree. The rats can't get up the tree. But there will be a day when they're well enough nourished that they will be able to go
Oh
up the
my
tree.
God.
Then it'll be interesting to see what happens. But you could do a whole study on that. That thing is
Now, maybe the eggs will, there'll be a decrease in the number of chickens, little chickies, and the rats.
well, as
That's
long
to
as
level
there.
off.
You see, there's 2 roosters, and there's
At
about,
least, at
then
least.
there's well, there's only 2, and there's 6 or 8 hens. So the eggs laying cycle continues.
How many rats?
I have seen 2 rats, that's all. But rats reproduce in a hurry. They're in that lean-to with the guy.
You think so?
Well, some are. He probably can't focus his eyes so he doesn't see them. If they bite him, he'll carry the plague.
Ugh.
He will carry the plague. They may not bite him.
Don't rats do that?
Rats have fleas as well as prairie dogs that carry plague.
Ugh.
They're very close relatives, prairie dogs and rats.
Do I now have fleas from being nice to the doggies?
No, Vera has defleed the dog by bathing her, and then you put a medication on her back
Oh,
that keeps fleas away.
oh. My
But
dog.
to me, if you let this go, those rats are going to figure out how to climb that tree. And they have the right
But
kind of
when they
paws.
climb the tree, the rooster's too big for them.
Look,
No.
Alpha just came.
Mhm.
He came with the lumber.
Oh, he did.
He just come. Okay, pick up, put it over.
So the rats will have to get the hens, but not the rooster.
Oh, yeah, they can get the rooster. 2 rats can overcome that rooster very easily.
Why don't they do it now? Because they can't get up the
Well,
tree.
because they don't need to. They've got eggs and chicks. They only make that leap when they need to.
Too bad such a meanie wins.
It'd be interesting to see what would happen, whether they do go up the trees.
She thinks the rats are going up the tree. We have to do something about the rats.
No, that's up to them. It's their problem. The rats will come over here. Eventually. But they know that. I don't, I'm not telling them anything. Maybe they'll already know. The man will die. Okay, he'll die, whatever. But the chickens will continue to lay eggs. And then be fertile eggs. So I don't know, what's gonna happen.
The man you think is important to the whole stream? Where does he figure?
Man. No,
He
not
doesn't
really.
actually figure in this war.
No. Somebody peed on it. They shouldn't pee around. They should put these damn porta potties around.
Oh dear, no, somebody has to empty them.
There are plenty of people down here. The rats. The rats. Okay, when are we going?
We're going now, as soon as I take off the lumber from that thing.
Okay.
We're right now.
Well-
What are they doing, fixing a leak? It's a big project.
With leak, the roof has termites. The wood in the roof has termites. Had to take the wood off and replace that and replace the galvanized roof as well. But the galvanized roof, I think, was not painted. There's a special paint you paint the galvanized roof. And I don't think that was, the roof that was there was painted. And the wood was being eaten by termites.
Really?
They have lots of termites. And you know those miserable ants? Those miserable things, those termite ants from Korea? They're here. Those horrible things
The
that were
whole
written up
house,
in science.
this, will all this go?
No, they only eat wood.
It was, oh.
Well, not wood that's out in the open. They eat wood that's underneath something else.
You
See,
putting on your
termites.
running shoes.
I have to put this in there
Oh,
because
yeah.
the feet is messed up. So
Oh.
this,
Helps.
uh-huh.
Looks nice.
Oh.
Looks
Vanessa
comfortable.
has feet that are messed up.
Yeah, I have to wear special sneakers, like the running ones. Yeah,
Those are beautiful.
yeah, these are gone, but
But now you have to run. You can't just
yeah,
walk.
yeah, you have to run it up.
You'll have to look like an athlete.
Anyway.
Vera of the
termites.
Olympic Vera,
Yes.
getting in shape, 100-yard
Those
dash.
are nice too, you know.
Very nice.
Those are for athletic foot too, like mine.
Yeah, they are comfy. They're
Yeah,
very
they're
comfy.
comfortable.
Maggie got these for me.
Yeah, those are. I see a lot of people wearing them now, and
They're very popular.
they wear them high.
Exactly.
The termites ate the wood underneath the.
Yeah, because like the termites go from underneath.
Yeah,
They don't have-
so they're not out in the open here.
No,
But they
Oh,
don't
the whole
eat
house comes
metal.
down?
They don't eat metal, they eat wood.
wood. Once they get in that big trouble, you are in. So
That's right.
people are making those there with metal now, but they cost a lot more.
Making the
Got it.
roof,
roof,
you know, the before they put the galvanized on
right?
or the shingle, the pieces that they make instead of wood, they're
Make it
making metal. So
That's
that
right,
That
so
they
the termites
the
can't
termites can't eat it.
Ah, terrible.
But we had a building and termites, we sold it, thank God. in New Orleans at the termite hit. We
Yeah.
had more trouble.
We
with
had
that
termites
than
in the backyard in Aspen.
We didn't have that kind of termite.
No,
And once
but
we
if
got
you
rid of
put,
that,
if you put your ear on the wood,
you could hear
You
it.
could hear them. Yeah.
munch, munch, munch,
Much,
munch.
much, much. They're eating away the wood, you can't see them.
Ah.
You could actually hear it.
Yeah, you could hear them. But we have those that goes underneath. You know, the brown ones.
Well,
And
those are the Korean ones.
Those are
really
bad.
Little brown,
go on.
little tiny.
And if they have a nest, they have it on the tree, big brown.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ooh,
it's awful. Those
Yeah.
Koreans,
Once they get in there, you're in
Nothing
big
you can
trouble. Yeah.
gee whiz.
that was terrible. They probably would carry the house away.
Yes.
Probably see.
That was
It was
cheap.
awful. We had to do this whole thing. Oh, we had a terrible time with that.
Mhm.
But we got it sold. So it's somebody else's problem now.
We need a termite rat.
Well, there was nothing, and they were trying to figure out something.
A natural enemy.
Some kind of an enemy that they could get that yet.
I think I remember a TV show about the termites in New Orleans.
Oh,
They
God.
have a lot of them there too.
They were terrible.
They're tropical.
And they got it in
Yeah.
really, really old trees.
Yes.
Some of
If you see those, if you see
a
them,
couple 100 years old.
right, we had a mango tree in the back there.
Uh-huh.
Big nest. They got rid of that mango tree. Next door, seen the nest low. You got to use
You have to, oh,
poison.
it's terrible. They're
You do
just,
And then
poison?
when you think you get rid of them, they underneath they go in. They
they're
go some
insidious.
other
They go
ground.
through the, oh, I see, they're awful.
Yes.
I mean, they really, they're high on the evolutionary ladder.
Maybe
They
we
can
could
live
get 'em-
anywhere and anything.
how could we get them to eat rats?
That'd be nice.
You have to call the
Department of Health.
Exterminator.
You're right. And because
But
we
they'll
have,
spray, you know, and if they spray in that field there,
that man,
your dog, the dog will die.
yeah, but we keep the dogs away. They comes in here. You see, like if you have plants in the water,
That's right.
they comes in and they put things in the water for you. But we
You
don't-
know?
To kill
whatever,
Come on.
mosquito or anything.
You're anywhere with us, right?
Kill who?
The mosquitoes here carry dengue fever.
Oh my God.
So they have to kill the mosquito larva. And they'll come, anytime we get on the phone, they'll
They
come.
comes and they
And
spray around.
they'll spray all around.
And
The
it's
dengue
funny.
fever is deadly.
You get on the phone and call them mosquitoes?
No, the
The
place
Department of Health. Call the Department of Health. But getting rid of rats is, that's very hard. We never got rid of rats.
So give them 17.
There's gotta be a rat.
21 State Street had rats and roaches.
17 pretty much.
You get up in the middle of the night and there were roaches
All right,
there.
you all set?
It's
Yeah.
war. It's
Okay.
war.
Let's go on to the birds.
It's war. It's war between
Now,
termites.
is Irma going with us?
Someone going in town.
She going to get
She going to do
appointment for
appointment for mommy.
Okay.
So just, it's for
Appointment for money.
No, she's going to make her doctor's appointment for
Have you got this?
Okay.
we have money.
Oh, well, Nick can put the film in.
Come on. Henry!
Albert here, where is, Earl?
All is right here.
I'll be spoiled to sit in front. And I can see. Uh-huh.
Just press that knob right there.
By the handbrake?
Yeah, the knob that mark unlock.
The
Yeah, that.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
I
right.
see it.
Yes,
There.
sir.
Did that do it?
Press it, press it. Press it, press it. Right, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, well, wait, Earl.
Hello. Good morning.
Gotta get everybody else in here. Where are they? Oh, it's how long does it take us to get to the sanctuary?
Like, not in the book.
No, the birthday. Earl, where is it?
It's alright. Guys are.
Come on, Maggie, get aboard.
Yeah, you are driving.
Well, he knows.
Yeah.
All aboard, Maggie.
I'm down. No, they are plans.
Oh, in the bush. Go in the bush.
I'm in.
What do you think? Spring?
Whew. Okay, I've got Earl's binoculars. No, I've got somebody else's binoculars. Where's Irma? Where's Vera?
I said she's got. That's zero.
Yeah, in one of them.
He can't hear you unless you turn that off.
What?
Now where is Albert?
Where people going?
He gonna kill someone. I don't know where he going. He gonna watch on the house.
Okay, you want Nick to put the film in your camera?
I have 2 more.
You have how many more do you have?
Two more.
Oh, that's good.